Hello everyone, in this video we will just find the difference between times, the same day difference, and also the difference which for a month or a week. We can find the difference between time for month and week also. Okay, so let's first of all find the difference between times for the same day. First of all, I will change the format of these text to AM and PM. So for that we can select it here also. But I will press Ctrl 1. After pressing Ctrl 1, let's select a format, for example this format. Press OK. See, it has changed to the format of AM and PM. So now let's find the difference. Here we will write equal to time out minus time in. Press enter. So it came in this format, but we don't need this format. We would like to show just simple the hours, how many hours an employee has worked. So for that, just again we can select here and just come here, and here I will come here to the custom. Here I will select just this format. Okay, hour and minutes. Okay, so this employee has worked just for 7 hours. So let's autofill it. So for autofill, whenever you came here to the corner to the black plus sign, press double click here. So it has autofilled automatically. Okay, so this employee is 6 and 30, 6 and 30, 7 and 40 and 7 and 30. So this is the difference between the time. So now we will move to the per a week, okay, or for a month. So we will find that date time. So let's why it came like this. So here again to the work time, let's make it greater. So right here equal to end time and date. Okay, this minus this. Okay, so let's press enter. What happened? See, it calculated like this, but we would like to show just the hours and in the minutes. So for that, again press Ctrl 1 and come here to the custom, and in the custom we will just display hours and minute. So we should display like let's just change this format to come here to the custom, and in the custom just come here down. See this hour, minute and second. Select this and we will remove the second because we don't need the seconds. We will just display the hours and minutes. Let's press OK. See, this employee has worked 4,423 hours. So let's autofill it. See the hours of every employee that he has worked. So let's, for example, I will make the difference later. Let's press F2, and in the F2 I will make it 03. Okay, in 2023 third month and fourth, and this is the second. See, 54 hours he worked. So this is how we can calculate the time difference for same day and also for week and month. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.